Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Ethereum name service and GoDaddy Go Tour over sale of domain name. True Names Ltd, the company behind the Ethereum name service, has filed a lawsuit against GoDaddy, a popular domain register and ENS competitor in the field. The lawsuit revolves around a web domain previously owned by ENS. Ethereum name service files a lawsuit against GoDaddy. The complaint filed by TrueNames Ltd alleged that GoDaddy has wrongly termed its link domain as expired and consequently sold it to a third party. The domain was previously owned by Virgil Griffin, a former employee of the company, currently serving a prison sentence after the conviction earlier this year. The plaintiffs, True Names and Griffin filed a lawsuit against the company for a breach of contract. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court for the District of Arizona. Along with GoDaddy, there were two other companies involved in the complaint, namely Dinadot and Manifold Finance. Corwell and Morning LLP, an international law firm in Washington, represented the plaintiffs. Ethereum name service offers decentralized names as a replacement for the full Ethereum wallet address. A lot of decentralized applications make use of the service, and it is quite popular in the space. The entire service relied on the link. The domain previously registered with GoDaddy, who owns the domain. As mentioned earlier, the domain was initially registered by Griffin in 2018 before TrueName went on to use it link domain for its operation. In the statement, the companies made clear that they are the first holders on the domain. Griffin was accused of helping North Korea pilot transaction as he gave a speech about cryptocurrencies in the country in 2019. He was later convicted and sentenced to a prison term of 63 months. According to the company, they weren't able to renew the domain name in July because Griffin had received a prison sentence. However, they claimed to have registered the name within the grace period given by GoDaddy after the domain had expired. The registration, however, wasn't done by TrueNames Ltd themselves, but was done on their behalf by DNS Service, a Canadian internet service provider company, and this news was announced on the ENS community forum. Although the domain was registered on August 2025, according to TrueNames Ltd, GoDaddy failed to acknowledge any registration and rendered the domain expired. The domain was sold to Dinadot on September 3, and the plaintiffs involved had no idea of this sale. Not only that, the plaintiffs claimed to have not gotten any response regarding the status of the domain, even after plenty of requests from their end. Commenting on the state of the matter, the founder of ENS, Nick Jones, made a statement saying, "We are disappointed to see the acts of GoDaddy and feel misled due to being told that the domain would be returned to the registry, only to find out it was purportedly sold to another domain provider before we had the chance to claim it. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.